In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Setting up screen lock on new device is one of the first things you should do to keep all of your data safe. If you want to do it on this iPhone, here's how, step by step. Don't worry, I did it before multiple times, so I can assure you by the end of this video, you will have perfect screen lock. First, open Settings. Then scroll all the way down to click on this section called Face ID and Passcode. Now you need to scroll again and this time tap on Turn Passcode On. Select Passcode Options in blue text over here, most people miss it at first, and pick the best one for you. 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. Let's go with 4-digit one, just for example. Now create it. And if you see this pop-up on your iPhone, change your passcode because it's way too easy. Mine is only for example, so I will click on Use anyway. Repeat it to confirm it. And then go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that passcode is required. Quick disclaimer though, now every time you will access this section, Face ID and Passcode, you will need to enter your passcode. It's kind of a double protection. If you wish, you can scroll down here, tap on Require Passcode, and then pick one of those options, immediately, which is the one I recommend. After 1 minute of blocking your device, 5, 15, 1 hour or 4 hours. All of those options though are risky because someone can unlock your device if you just leave it for a minute. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!